under attack. You have slain an enemy. Initiate. Have slain an enemy. Our turn.
Я единственный в огне, кто считает свои сны. Поклоняюсь темноте.
Magic lies in the mind, but my blade follows my heart.
Shut down. Initiate retreat.
1 minute, let me get in my bag. Filling up my pen with the venom when I rap. Ain't nobody better, so whenever my knack. Get a hit, wrong, go tell my back. Never going back again. Few people in the game that can rap with him. I spit planes and attack you, man. I'm sicker than a fucking pathogen. I lose count when I track the wins, and I'm a record till I make the map. Show praise to the greats who paved the path. So face the facts, I raise till the face the black. I blaze the track, and better than the pace the rap until I let it gone. Killing whatever beat, I'ma get it for. Better form when I be pushing up on the metaphors. Get them all, jealousy, wishing that I was never born, but they never gonna forgive me. Shut up the Pentagon and the bombs that I came to drop in the Caribbean. And when the rain will stop, I flame the crops until I get my name to pop, and I be kicking down doors till I break the locks. I'm like, come on and witness the madness. Money in the bank can't fit in the mattress in the game online. It's the biggest advantage. Ain't nobody ever do it in a similar fashion. Like all with the veteran, pumping adrenaline, rapping to kill it. So fuck if I benefit. Know what you haters, you fuckers are feminine. Lyrical bullets to fucking you gentlemen. Listen up, I got a new statistic. Fuck the system and abuse the business. Instrumentals getting bruised and blistered, but now fuck them all, I'm about to beast. I've been on my grind, I've been working on the low. I've been holding back. Fuck them all, I'm about to beast. Labels on the line, tell them hold the phone. Y'all ain't ready for the kid, I make them overdose.
Try to fall in love with rapper, that's the law. Only one of me up in the game, no filler. Murder, death, record, kid, that's the law. Clip this for the rhymes, boy, that boy a track killer.
Close your eyes, try to picture greatness. Fuck the stage up and flip the payments. Pop a tab and I'm a trip in Vegas, and I fuck your broad until the bitch is famous. Like nah, you ain't never gonna get a cosign. Last minute I'ma bring it to the goal line. Flow too wet and I'ma never let the hole dry. Everybody want him, I'm an underground gold mine. Wrong piece, but they pray to fight me. Never gonna ask for payday politely. At the mall with fake chains and Nikes. I'm about to get the crew to gang bang your wifey. Make a record and I put it on vinyl. Beat it on my chest, man, a boy too primal. I don't gotta flex on my rivals. They all know my last shit went viral. Listen up and I'ma try to reach you. In the game and you can ride the bleachers. I don't wanna collab, but it's nice to meet you. Put a bit of a track at the pricey feature. When if I defeat you like a violent reaper, I done burnt the booth and I done bombed the speakers. I don't give a fuck if I be popping either, cause now fuck 'em all, I'm about to